Hi everyone, Kirk here at Kirk's Motor Rod. Hey, bringing you a very different kind of review. This thing, so Technaxx, the German company, sent me this product. It is it's a car charger. And here it is right here. Took it out of the package already. It's got two USB ports on it. It has a 12 volt thing like you'd put in your car, like a cigarette adapter or a 12 volt adapter. We don't have that on a BMW. We've got the DIN plugs. Anyways, you got two USB ports. You got a regular USB port and a high-speed USB port right here. Also has a USB-C port, and this is an in and out port. There's a battery unit inside this that does not power these. What does that power though? It's a 4-hour battery, no less. So this thing comes off of here, and it's now a little standalone product, and it powers this party light on here, which they assure me will bring a party to wherever you go. So let's check it out, huh? The little button right there. Here we go. Well, hey, I'll tell you what, I wasn't ready for that. So, if you guys want one of these things, check that link right down below, and I'm getting back to the party. See you guys later.
I'll be in my trailer.
It looks like there's a fire in here.
My ass is moving. I want perfection.
Cut, cut, cut.